name is Ariana from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale. Thank you for purchasing the GoGo Sport. Today I will be showing you how to charge your scooter. So with your purchase, you should have received this charger, which comes with a 3-pronged plug that plugs directly into your scooter, and then the other side is a 3-pronged plug that plugs directly into the wall, which is just any standard outlet. So let's begin. First, you're going to take your scooter prong. We're going to plug this directly into the scooter up here by the tiller. Next, we're going to take the wall end and plug that directly into the wall here. Another feature of the scooter that's important to mention is that you can also plug it directly into the battery box and charge the battery box on its own, so you don't have to bring in the whole scooter inside or wherever you are. You can just charge the battery box. Just simply insert the same 3 prongs into the base of the battery box. Something that's important to note about your scooter is your charging box. So on the top here we have a red light, and this just basically means that there's power going into the charging box. So we want this to be lit. The bottom light is either going to be red, blinking green, or solid green. If it's red, it means it needs a charge. If it's green, it means it's fully charged and ready to go. And if it's blinking green, that means it's doing a trickle charge. And a trickle charge just means it needs a little bit of topping off as far as energy goes. Lastly, it's important to note that you should not leave your scooter charging for more than overnight. This can expand the battery and cause a lot of problems and damage to the batteries, causing you to have to replace them more regularly. So just make sure that you charge your scooter only overnight, no longer, and unplug it in the morning, and you should be ready to go. We also recommend that you do this just once a week. If you use your scooter more often and it needs a charge, feel free to charge more than once a week. But if you are just letting your scooter sit or you haven't used it in a couple days, remember to charge it at least once a week overnight and no longer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your scooter.